This is the Gucci Flashtrek. You know, I've had this shoe for about a few years now, and I wanted to make this video recircling back to it because this was the original dad shoe. The original ugly, chunky dad sneaker. And it's one of my all-time favorite shoes. I wanted it ever since I saw it in, when it first came out, 2015 or 16, I think it was. And it was just something that spoke to me, something that was so different. So I'm just gonna get right into it. So here they are in all of their glory. They do pick up dirt a lot, especially on this suede material upper. It definitely gets frayed easily, and as you can see here, they get, there's some scratches on the rubber upper as well. But all in all, a pretty solid shoe and a pretty durable shoe. It's very rugged, it's very heavy. These probably weigh like, I would say 4 or 5 pounds each. So until you get used to it, yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of you're gonna feel like you have some ankle weights on your feet, that's for sure. You know, this came out in 2015, and ever since then, it's just been the flagship dad's chunky sneaker. I feel like that fad has kind of, faded a bit, but all in all, a still timeless piece, I would say. So as you can see here, it has the Gucci logo on the front, and it's almost like a Sega edition. And one thing I like about the shoe is the color blocking or color grading, I would say. It is there's a lot going on here. We have the white and black laces, we have the different gray tones of suede, synthetic material, and just mesh material here. We have the rubber, we have the nylon straps, and we have the crystals here. Like, there's just so many materials, so much different colors, so many things going on with this shoe, and also the suede here. It is just a very interesting piece. I would say I love it a lot. I've said that like 10 times already, but it just goes to show you how much I love it. On the side here, we do have these reflective 3M strips right here, and all these dots as well, this material under. It does reflect a lot, and I actually love what they did here. Obviously, the staple piece here is this crystal sequence here, these crystal straps. I love them. It's just, it's like these purple crystals with these gold casings here, and it goes around the entirety of the sneaker, as you can see here. It is a removable strap here, and you can either take them off or on. I personally feel like they look way better with it on. So you gotta love that. We have these laces here, obviously. They do play a part in, I like to keep them tied and just leave it like that for the rest of my day. I don't really like to untie laces. They're pretty big, so you could probably get your foot in and out without having to unlace them. But obviously, it's up to the personal preference of the wearer. We have 3 different types of materials: the mesh, the suede, and this hard rubber. I have to say, it is a harder material. The casing they used, I guess it was just a bit sturdier. I like it. I don't have a problem with it. It is built to last, I'll say that for sure. You have the Gucci logo on the front here, and it's very subtle, it's very small, I like it. And there's just different shades of green, there's different shades of gray. On the inside here, we have this dark orange color. It is a mesh material similar to this one right here. We have these metal hardware here that holds the laces. I like this design they went for. Yeah, I feel like it speaks for itself. On the bottom, it's just pretty straightforward. As you can see, it's seen better days. It's just worn, but it's pretty good all in all, I would say. These do raise you off the ground a considerable amount. I would say at the maximum, it's probably about 1.5 inches, maybe. I don't even know, but I would say 1.5 inches, maybe. Almost 2 inches, maybe. So yeah, you definitely feel the difference when you take your foot out of the shoe and when you put your foot back into it. You can definitely put on your profile, I'm 6 feet tall, when you're actually 5'10". But yeah, there's not much to say about these. It speaks for itself. These do retail for, it really depends when these came out. These definitely were around $1,500. You can find these on resale value. They're selling for a lot less. Designer shoes, they don't really hold their resale value. So all in all, That's good for some, but bad for resellers. But we don't like resellers anyway, so